Hey guys, so what we're going to be doing today is an unboxing on this Aqua Planet 10'6" SUP and see what we get. So there's two very similar boards in this range, the Max and the Pace. They're both 10'6", 325 centimeters, same depth, it's 15 centimeters deep, and waterproof surf sack. Okay, main fin, locking pin, leash, pump, pressure gauge, the Pace, this one, it will support up to 18.8 stone, and the Max is 21 stone. Quote me on that. Okay, we've got 3 pieces of the paddle. Repair kit, shoulder carry strap, and the bag. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Okay, the other 2 fins will be on the board. What else is there to know? Let's look at the board. See if it all goes back in there afterwards. Manual. Yep. There's also the all-round 10. It's very similar price range, but I went for the Pace. It's got more of a surfboard shape to it, slightly less stable than the Max. Should have more response. Now, I've ridden the Max, so part 2 of this video will be actually taking it out and seeing how we get on. Flat tail on it as well, just give you that little bit of extra manoeuvrability. And yeah, there it is. Fin box, 2 stabilising fins. Yeah, let's just go through it again. Okay, repair kit. I presume this is a repair kit. What have we got in here? Yeah, it's a repair kit. Okay, pop all that back in there. Hopefully won't be needing it. It's handy to have. Carry strap, handy. Leash, essential. Dry sack. We're destructively, not by breaking them, but extensively testing these, making sure the bag stays dry. And yeah, so from aquaplanet.com, to double check that. And it was next day delivery as well. So what I'm going to do now is try and pump this fella up. Okay, inflation. So when the board arrives, you get your cover, remove the cover, and there's a pin inside here. Push the pin down, turn it 90 degrees and it will lock. In, turn, lock. You're now ready to inflate. There should be an in and an out on these. Out and in, so deflation basically. Let's get this onto the out. Okay, in we go, down we go, clockwise, tighten it up, and start pumping. Make sure you've got this in. I'll keep going until that reaches 15 psi. We're good to go. Touching the main fin. Clip. Push it in, pull the clip over. Two pins, line them up. Okay, I was having a quick look over it after I pumped it up. He likes it. And waterproof bag. Also doubles as a dog bed. Right, so I've always used them. Just folded it over a couple of times. Put the clips around the back. Clipped it in. That's going to be waterproof because it's airtight now. So you just fold it over. And then bring the clips around the back. Waterproof bag. Also, notice this tag that is basically saying you need to tighten up the valve. Repair kit. It's a valve wrench. Pop that in there. Just make sure that's tightened up. Don't go nuts with it. I would pick the board up, but there's a dog on it now. Right, attaching the board leash. Now usually you'd loop through and then pull the whole leash through. It should just fit. Job done. And once you're inflated as well, make sure you get the valve cover on. Now a few people are saying it's difficult to get the pump in. There is a washer here. That can be stiff for the first few goes. Just make sure it's seated in, push down, clockwise, tighten it up. Carry strap, self-explanatory. There's 2 strap points on either side. And yeah, good to go. Alright, setting up the pedal. So obviously, got the blade back. This part of the grip all in line. Proper height. It's just resting your wrist over the top like that. Not there. Just get your wrist over the top. And that's all good. Okay, so you want to try and get it all back in the bag. You're going to roll it from the nose end, make sure your valve's out. Get rid of some air at the end. You want to try and get your fins in the middle. Box will be down, fins will be up. Okay, you're in. We'll feed your paddles down the side. Keep your blade flat. That's one side. Just pop your pump on the top. Fill the gaps. You can use a tie down around the board. You don't have to. Make sure you don't crush your hose. Carry strap. And just work it round. Plenty of room in these bags. That's it, you're good. There is room to attach the pump here. I'll show you. If you don't want to have the pump in the bag with you, slide that in, unhook those, external pump, also you want to keep your paddles separate. There's more than enough room inside if you want to put your suit, your wetsuit clothing, buoyancy aid, loads of room. All good.